Welcome to Unit 6, where we explore the fascinating world of grammar with a focus on going green. Let's dive into the essential elements of gerunds and infinitives. Our lesson objectives are clear. We'll learn to use the correct form of gerund and infinitive, distinguish between them, and recognize the verbs that follow each form. Understanding the difference between gerunds and infinitives is crucial. Gerunds are formed with ing and infinitives with to. Both act like nouns and answer the question, what? Gerunds are used after specific verbs. These verbs include advise, enjoy, intend, and many more. They help us express actions in a continuous form. Forming gerunds is simple. Add ing to the verb, or drop the e and add ing. This transformation allows verbs to function as nouns in sentences. Let's look at some examples. He enjoys listening to music, she considered traveling to Dubai, and we've stopped eating junk food. These illustrate how gerunds are used in everyday language. Infinitives follow specific verbs like agree, continue, and decide. They can be preceded by an object, adding depth to our sentences and intentions. Infinitives are formed by adding to before the base form of a verb. Some verbs require an object before the infinitive, enhancing clarity and meaning. Consider these examples. They intend to watch a movie, I forget to do my homework, and she decided to move to Paris's. Infinitives help express future actions and intentions. Some verbs can be followed by both gerunds and infinitives, such as begin, love, and hate. This flexibility allows for varied expression in our language. Examples include, they love playing video games and she began riding her bike. Both forms can be used interchangeably, depending on the context. Let's practice. Sammy enjoys walking his dogs. Governments promise to reduce pollution, and the teacher finished explaining the lesson. These exercises reinforce our understanding. To solidify your learning, complete the workbook exercise on page 277. This will help you apply what you've learned about gerunds and infinitives.